Hey, this is Carl. Got a question for you. Can you have too many clamps? I'm at that stage where I think I have too many. But I bought some more. Just to give you a review on them. So stick around, I'll be right back with you. Here are these new clamps that I bought. Like I said earlier, I don't need any more clamps, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these things. But got them for a good deal. I figured it would be a good review. Maybe you could use these. Maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, let's show you what we have here. Let's start with this pack right here. We have a 2-pack set of 2. Whatever this word is, Jolie did too. Let me turn over this side to the English speaking side. Set of 2. Well, not much better. Anyway, pretty self-explanatory here. For clamping and securing workpieces. Jaw width and throat depth 2.75 inches by 2.71 inches. That equals out to 70 times 69 millimeters. They look pretty handy though. Let me open this thing up. Have my knife here. Slice it this way. Let's see what we have in here. We have these 2 knives. Now these are C-type or spring clamp. Not C-type. C-type is like those little metal ones. But this is a spring type clip, rubberized handle. As far as a spring type, it is pretty comfortable. I have 2 pieces of wood right here. Let's see how strong these things are. I'm going to put one on each side, like this. Okay, there we go. It is clamping it, but it's not real tight. I mean, it's not tight enough to keep it from slipping on the wood. But if you're just doing some glue ups or something like that, there shouldn't be any problem with it. Now the pads are not grooved, which means right here, they don't have a groove in it to hold a round rod. But it's okay. It's held together by a Phillips head screw here. Red and black, as you can see, my Falcons colors or my Georgia Bulldog colors. Pretty self-explanatory about these. The overall width of the pad itself, let's do that, is 1 1/4 inches by 7/8 of an inch. So that's not too bad. Well, like I said, this is mainly just for clamping glued together pieces together so they don't slide while their glue is drying. It's not really made for clamping like wood down to a work surface, although you could do that. Okay, let's open up these small ones right here. Slide all this aside. Well, let's go over these first. These are for clamping and securing work pieces. Set of 4. Jaw width and throat depth 1.65 inches by 1.85 inches. There we go. Got a nice little 4-pack right here. Let's open these things up, see what we have. Not a whole lot you can say about spring clamps. They're all over the place. Walmart sells them, Home Depot, Lowe's, your favorite hardware store. Drop these. Let's go ahead and measure these right here. I want to do my tape measure. Here it is. The pad itself is 7/8 of an inch by 5/8 of an inch. Pretty nice little pad clamps here. They'll be useful for some things in the shop. These are made by or sold by Powerfix. I'm not sure who makes them, but yeah, these are probably nice little clamps here. Now the best thing about these clamps, I'm going to show you these right now, that this set of 4 was $2.99. This set of 2 was $2.99. So how can you go wrong with that? $3 for all these clamps, and then $3 for these 2 big ones. Got them at a place called Lidl, L-I-D-L. It's a new grocery store slash convenience store slash whatever. It's sort of like an Aldi, but about twice the size. These are on sale this week. I don't know about next week. This is it's August 4th, 5th, something like that. But these are on sale this week. If you need some clamps, run down there and check them out. Like I said, for the price, I don't think you can beat them. So, what am I going to do with these clamps? Somehow, I need to come up with how to do a giveaway for different things that I have. And this is going to be part of the stuff that's going to be donated or given away in some sort of raffle. So if anybody has any ideas on how I can raffle these off fairly, shoot me an email or leave a comment below. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you watching.